Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great. So, my name is Supriya, and this is my YouTube channel, Learn and Imbibe. So, today I'm going to teach you Telugu through English, making it easier to pronounce and understand the basic language so that you can be effective and efficient and flawless in speaking Telugu language. So, let's get started without further delay. So, coming to the introduction, the origin and the overview. It's a Dravidian language. Telugu is the oldest surviving civilization, also known as the Italian of the East. Telugu is the third most spoken Indian language. Telugu Talli, the personification of Telugu language, where you can see it on the screen. More than 75 million people over the world speak Telugu. So, what's the necessity to learn Telugu? For some, it is the mother tongue. Sri Krishna Devaraya Garu has said, Desa Bhashalandu Telugu Lessa, which means, among the nation's language, Telugu is the best. One need to learn about the rich heritage and culture. Survive in Telugu speaking regions. And of course, passing it down to your next generations and thereon. Last but not the least is the flawless and effective communication. Coming to the alphabets. In Telugu, a letter is known as Varna, and the alphabet chart is known as Aksharamala or Varnamala. Telugu language has about 56 characters, but only 52 are used. Other four are not commonly used. Just like we have vowels and consonants in English, similarly in Telugu we have vowels and consonants as well. Vowels are known as Achulu, which are 16 in number, and consonants are known as Halulu, which are 36 in number. So here, a letter is known as a Varna, and words are known as Shabda, and the sentence is known as Vakya Nirmanam. So as I said you earlier, vowels are totally 16 in number. In Telugu, they are known as Achulu. So this is a basic chart or the overview of the vowels. So let's get into detail. Here I'm going to say about you the phonetic sounds so that you can correlate with the example provided here. First letter is A as in come. So when you pronounce the word come, you can feel the phonetical sound A in the letters. The next letter is A as in the far. E as in bit. E as in feel. U as in could. U as in cool. Ru as in rupee. So here ru is RU. Initially it's also called as Aru. ARU. The next letter is Ru as in root. A as in get. A as in stake. I as in might. O as in rotate. O as in oat. Ow as in out. As in some. Aha as in half. So these are totally 16 in number, and upon your revision or repetition of these letters and correlating with the examples, you will be getting used to it. So this requires practice for beginners. So this is it. So thank you all for watching the video, and make sure to click the subscribe button